faster than me, okay? Good, right there.
You get the line?
Yeah, you right there. Stay right there.
Yeah, you good right there.
Good.
Ready?
Shark, man.
I don't even know who that is.
Baby Shark,
Who the fuck are you?
Fuck a
nigga?
Baby
Who the
Shark,
fuck
man.
are you? Fuck that fuck.
Hey, man, that man
what that
don't race,
weak ass
man.
man is?
That man over there.
Oh, what you
over
wanna
there.
do?
Where your shit at?
Yeah.
Where your
Over
shit
there?
at? Where your shit
Over
at?
there?
Nah, I try
Yeah.
you. I try you. I try you. I try you.
Hey, your
I
shit
try
ready.
You. No prep.
Your shit ready.
Hey, bro. Whoever said that was a shooting star, you sound dumb as hell.
That was not no shooting
No,
star.
that was not no
I was
goddamn
something
shooting
burning
star.
up.
That was some other shit. How the hell that gonna be a shooting star smoking?
That shit was smoking. You know home watch the news. Y'all figure out what the fuck it is.
Fuck a hype, man.
But are you ready, bro?
All that
Yes
extra
or
shit.
no? Are you
That
ready?
bitch shit. Your car don't work.
Bro, are you ready? Yes or no?
Your car work?
Are you ready?
Is it do it work?
Answer my
Exactly,
fucking
yeah,
question,
I'm
nigga.
ready.
Are you
Is
ready?
your shit ready?
Damn right, nigga.
Is
Know
your
what
shit
you want to
ready?
do.
Get to the street.
Okay, that ain't you saying shit, bro.
When?
When do you need me to
That
get
week?
out?
That week?
Next week. Next week. What wrong with tomorrow?
Next week.
Talk to me that week, dude. You.
Nigga, I've been waiting
Talking about
for
the
months.
street.
Hey, you
You
talking
don't
about
fuck about the street, nigga.
Well, I don't give you about the track. Your car ain't fast that track.
Your
car
ain't
never been
fast
fast.
nowhere,
Your
though.
car ain't never been
You
fast.
right, but I'll
I
fuck
mean,
you
but your
up,
car
though.
never been fast.
I'll fuck you up, though. See the difference?
No, you won't.
Crazy.
You ain't got enough.
Man, B, I ain't finna do this with you
You know,
tonight.
I just give you 1,000.
I ain't finna do this with you tonight, man. Okay.
Combo, you combo.
Listen, man.
He ain't got no combo.
Listen, man.
Hold
Riff
on.
been in his
Wait,
shit. Somebody.
say it again.
A riff must be been in his shit.
That motherfucker stupid, man.
What did you say you want to run me at?
No, that's right.
What you? Okay. But I'm slow, though.
Okay.
Okay.
I built the street car.
Okay.
So you got the baddest Jeep out in the street?
Yeah. I got the baddest one in the street. Ain't nobody fucking with me out here.
That nigga wasn't talking this shit till the car went down.
All these niggas, George
down,
George
niggas
one
talking all this
custom, Juicy. Everybody, hey, come right to the track, come to the track, all that track shit, man. Y'all take y'all country ass back to the track. Get something to work in the street. Y'all better build a dual threat on one side of that car. And my shit got full of tears. Find me one to do. Find me, your car got full of tears?
It ain't gonna have it.
I know that right.
I ain't gonna have it.
Right.
What the fuck I need volunteer
Bust
for?
your ass without it.
Hey, only one person
Bust your
in the
ass
car
without
when
it.
you racing. What you need all them seats for? What the fuck you need all them seats for?
I got a street car.
Whatever
That's
you
different.
got.
That's different. That's different. And I'm gonna show you that all taking all that shit out don't matter. That shit don't matter, dog.
You might need to take something out that motherfucker.
I make my horsepower you too. You don't make no power.
Man, you got boost in that bitch ain't doing that, boy. Yeah. Bro, they
For you to run the numbers I run, you gonna need to cover 600 shit. You need 600
I'll
shit.
show you a ticket right now. I bet you your car ain't even been that fast, boy. Bet. Bet.
You been 530?
But you ain't even been 630.
I'm asking. I'm asking. No, his car ain't been.
Y'all motherfuckers stupid,
That
man.
nigga say, have I been 530? You ain't even been
I'm asking.
630,
You
bro.
been 530?
No, I ain't been there.
I ain't think so. It was just a question.
Why? You ain't been there either. So
You ain't.
Well,
Well, we both, that's what I'm saying. We both ain't been
I can show you
there.
a ticket right now faster than any ticket you can pull out.
What about his car?
I ain't got nothing to do with it, man,
That's
cause he
side
right
chick.
here, bro.
Side chick.
He know who that man is. You got, man, that man know.
Who the fucking side chick? I don't know. I ain't heard that shit. That sounds some shit you leave in the garage. You
That's why
don't
he
bring
said
this out.
something to him, cause he know who he is.
I don't know. I said I don't know what the car is. I don't know what the car. Never heard of it. I bet you heard that color though, ain't you? Yeah.
Hell no.
Yeah.
Hey, B, do you think you can cover both of them at the track though? Yeah.
On racing track.
Okay,
I
okay.
race G8 at the track.
When them
The G8.
Tomorrow.
Nah, I'm getting my car ready for the 20 a little bit. They having it we having it sealed off. That's a quarter mile track. I'm trying to do a quarter. But the colors, you get this smoke in the street. Bitch hooking. Listen, I'm the G-Body king. I'm the fucking king. G-Body, me, street. Ain't nobody fucking with me, dog. And Black Migo, fuck with Black Migo. What Mustang?
Man, this man wasn't talking this shit till his car went down last night. His car go down there, he talking all the shit.
Shit, was I not running my mouth? I've been this way. You tripping?
Yeah, his transmission fucked up.
Listen.
Man, talking shit.
The last nigga that tried to out-talk me was Willie. See what
They
happened to
said
him?
Willie had you.
Willie ain't have shit.
Yeah.
Listen, I told this man my transmission was fucked up,
Yeah.
and then you come out here and still try to do all this shit for the camera, man. Please, get your.
Hey man, they said that
I got.
had you on
How you gonna have me on hush? When I talked to the nigga all day, I said, bro, my
Said
shit fucked
everybody
up.
like quiet, the baby
But
shit.
when I took off,